Joe Webusia King Kobe King to the Kobe Masai Abbey Bimunim said a no had a fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko the Porcupine Warriors Ukuma Pema Apemba is the mood to Menfam Kotulu to what you say. Yes, Jensha Nano Peso some about the Tujana breaking news and the honor say Kumasi Asante Kotoko trip to take at the end of conforming delay papa visa no one person it has been called off the Turkey trip ya cancel as a CRD Emma so but protocol are making arrangements new one Sudan no Kayakobo friendly no honor to say yakwa spend about 9 days or the yakwa some friendly matches be wait at that according to Kotoko no statement on release no or the kind statement no Kumasi Asante Kotoko release statements to say about the Turkey trip no or say club statements. Our planned trip to Turkey for the second phase of our preseason has been cancelled due to issues related to delays in visa acquisition. The club has therefore opted to travel to Sudan from 21st August 2022 to 1st September 2022 for the second phase of our preseason. We will be engaged in strategic friendly games with other opponents who have qualified for CAF competitions. Thank you. When statement and Kumasi Asante Kotoko no pay or more release just said the Turkey trip no it has been cancelled as it's said they move to Sudan. I think say this preseason we know on say a Turkey trip no but in Shira Ebeba I'm telling you. Because we know you get the opportunity to meet other CAF on the technical you could just one game per with a CAF competitor what I say Obia also also participate in CAF Champions League in Sanko for River United or Mope but see you have the opportunity to play Al Hilal and other teams from Sudan also participate or CAF Champions League, in fact, Champions League and as a confederation. I think it's a blessing. What I say, it's a blessing in disguise. I share said it now. More delay, mama preseason, I some way be, but the aqua cobana no. Inti I won't say Kotoko ya kupim ewo Sudan. When you call preseason na mobian and yamonshishino, it's a better arrangement than the Turkey one. No, me personally, I see this one as a better test. What I say, you get to test yourself with other clubs. Some might participate in the CAF competition. It's good. Timobia, who say na Turkey na hard to follow. Can say she. Na Kotoko Germany na yakwe preseason order. And Turkey, they got a better Turkey. She ne. What I say. Until the no other news to about to Joanna says is yeah Kotoko ne Kamumalu deal no. I think say Intimia maso see some news are trending pan say Kotoko akwa the same another Burkinabe coach on the friend Seydou Zerbo or no NSC say Asante Kotoko akwa no Burkina Faso coach no last time Kotoko akwa Seydou Zerbo who is 59 years old and last night I say Obabi Drew Ghana on Kotoko and I'm going to agreement and Kotoko be announcing. I don't know where from this one all of a sudden Dean way I be take you over the social media spaces says it's here or no and I imagine as a favorite to be Kotoko coach. This is here and Seydou Zerbo no. The last time I say Zerbo was in charge of the Burkina Faso national team which exited at the group stage of the 2020 Chan tournament. Until last time Burkina or coaching team was 2020 Chan tournament or no and only Burkina Faso core but of film group stages. Yes, say we show the profile. I say we manage team here no Yansha Seydou Zerbo ne profile kakra oko Ghana Soccer Net ne profile wo ba ne profile no kan say the highly rated tactician began his coaching career in the 2013-2014 season when he was in charge of Real Club du Kadiogo de Kotoko any no draw no Kadiogo for no you say Seydou Zerbo no wa manage omo that 2013-2014. He later coached Banku Sports from 2014 to 2016 before heading to Sonabel